Damage to your car's windscreen can be both dangerous and inconvenient, leaving you without access to your vehicle. This is why the team here at the Windscreen Company offers an emergency mobile windscreen repair service, getting you moving again. No matter where you are or what you're doing, we can get you back on the road safely. Whether you're on your way to work, on a family day out, or have suffered windscreen damage on the motorway whilst just going about your business, we'll be by your side as soon as possible. Even if you're on holiday or break in the UK and suffer windscreen damage, such as a crack, we'll be on hand to assist and help you get back to enjoying your trip. We provide customers with a same-day service that works 24 hours. So day or night, you can rest assured that we'll be by your side. Our process couldn't be simpler. First, give us a call and let us know your location. We can carry out the repairs at your home, workplace, or anywhere that's convenient for you. Next, we'll head to your location and carry out the windscreen repair or replacement. No matter what vehicle you drive, we can tailor our service specifically to you. Here are just a few of the manufacturers we cater for. If required, once we've completed the work, we'll even recalibrate your car's advanced driver assistance systems, ensuring everything is working as it should be. Working across the West Midlands and South East, contact the Windscreen Company today to learn more about our emergency windscreen services.